Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 80, 2 equals 10. So this is another one of my lateral thinking puzzles. Thank you for giving me all that positive feedback. And here we go with this one. In what instance does 2 equal 10? A clue will be given on the next slide. So I promise in the next 2 minutes I'll go to the next slide and give you a clue, but see if you can solve it yourself. It's extremely satisfying. Okay, let's have a look at the clue. Now, you may not need it because you've already solved it, but let's have a look just in case you need a little bit of help. So the puzzle was, in what instance does 2 equals 10? And the clue is time. Now the answer is on the next slide, so if you have a little bit of trouble, I promise I'll give you the answer on the next slide in about 1 minute. So really try and solve this now, and I think the clue will help you. Okay, as promised, here is the answer. I'm pretty confident you might have solved this, but let's have a look at the answer just in case you had a little bit more trouble. So in what instance does 2 equals 10? The answer is on a clock, and the example is 10 past 4. You can see here that the big hand is on the 2, and the hour hand is a little bit past the 4, so when we say that time, we actually say 10 past 4. We don't say 2 past 4, but we say 10 past 4. So there is one instance where 2 equals 10. I hope you liked that puzzle. It was quite a little tricky one, wasn't it? If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and we'll go to the next slide right now.